If you're a real estate agent, you know you need to spend time writing property listings. However, what if I told you that there's a piece of software that you can use that uses AI marketing tools so that you could write property listings in just a few clicks? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly that. And this here is the tool. This is known as WriteSonic. If you are a real estate agent who's already investing time in writing articles and writing blog posts, then congratulations, that's going to help you get organic traffic if you do it correctly. Now you can sign into WriteSonic. Here I am on the dashboard, and you could use this article writer or this instant article writer in order to produce those articles or blog posts for you. You can see you get 1500 words when you use these particular tools within the software. If you want to see these tools in action and how we write a blog post using WriteSonic, you should just be able to see now a card appear above the video. You can click on that and you can watch that, or you'll find the link to that video in the description if you want to get hold of it at the end. There's also in the description a link to a free trial of this software, WriteSonic. So at the end of the video, if you like the look of what you see and you'd like to test it out for yourself, then just scroll down into the description, click that link, and you'll be able to get the free trial. Also, at some point during this video, I'm going to have a coupon code that's going to pop up on the screen. It's going to be towards the end of the video. You use that coupon code, it's going to give you a discount off the first month, which means you get a few weeks to test it out. If you like the software, you want to keep going with it, you just keep paying. Otherwise, you can just take that discount off the first month and then you can cancel. So, as I said, we can use this for property listings or real estate listings. So I'm going to come over here to the search bar. I'm going to put in the word real, and you should be able to see it's filtered out the real estate listing down here. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out this information. Now, imagine you've been out to a property, you've had a walk around, you've spoken to the owner, and you would have made some notes on your iPad, tablet, notepad, wherever, about the information that you are going to put into this tool. This is all stuff you would write down anyway. Okay, so I'm just going to put a title to the document. So you might use this as the location or the address, for example. So 123 the street, I'm going to put in here. So whatever the name of your file, whatever you want it to be, you put that in there. And then we're just going to go through and put all of the information into this box. Now you'll notice you have 100 characters for the first. And then when we describe the bedrooms, we have a few more characters. We've got up to 600. Okay, once we've done that, we select our language. You can actually do this in lots and lots of different languages. So you can type in English and then it will translate it for you if that is useful. And then we want the quality. We're going to stick with premium. Okay, now the more information you can give it, the better. But as you see, you don't need to use full sentences as in these examples. We can just put notes. You can see these different features are separated by these commas, and then what we'll be able to do is click this generate real estate listing, and we will get a full copy over here, which is our real estate listing that then we can copy over onto Zoopla or wherever we want to put this information, or is it Zillow or wherever you are around the world. Maybe you're going to put it onto your website. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pause the video, fill this out, and then I'll let you see the tool in action. So as you can see, I've now gone through and I filled out all the information. So I've got the type of property, its price and its location, along with the area in square feet. And then I put a bit of information about the property in all of the different boxes. Once you've done all of that, which just took me a couple of minutes, as you can see, I've used commas and just short sentences again. We're going to hit this button here. What this will do is it will activate the AI technology within the software, and it's going to start writing our real estate listing description for us. Now, as it does that, I'm just going to take this opportunity to let you know that we're going to be producing real estate content all month here on the channel. So if you're liking this video so far, I do suggest you subscribe, because this is not the only video that we're going to be putting out. There's going to be lots of videos that you can watch and learn from and start using different tools within your business that use AI in order to save you time and money. So as you can see, we've now got this information and we have this full paragraph that we can take and put into our property listing description. Now we do have some tools up here that we can use, so we can edit this. If we like it, we can save it for later. We can copy it straight to our clipboard, or we can delete it. And the other nice thing about this is we can rate the copy. So if we find it quite accurate, then we can give it 5 stars. If we're really unhappy with it, we can give it 1 star. And what this does is it helps to train the tool with what you want it to produce, so that each time you use it, it can give you better quality feedback. You've got the ability to download everything here, and we can share it as well. But we've got 2 outputs there that we can see. And then just scroll down, we've got 3 in total. Now, one thing you can do is you can actually copy all of this, and then you can just mix and match the 3 different outputs to create the information that you want, the perfect property listing description for you. If you're not happy with these, you can click regenerate, but remember, this software works off a credit and word count system, which means that you can't just go hitting the buttons all the time. You need to be conservative so that you're not burning through all your credits. Now, if you look above, there is a little card that's popped up now, and you can watch that video and it will show you exactly how you can save your credits and make them go faster while using this tool. But if I liked any of these outputs, as I said, I just hit the copy button, put them over into my property listing, or maybe I want to put them into Google Docs so I can edit them a bit, and then I can publish. Now, just something I want to point out to you is you can see here it says set over 2 floors. Now, I didn't say anything about 2 floors, and maybe this property is actually only set over 1 floor. And something you've got to remember with this is that it's AI technology, which means it's doing its best, but it's not as good as a human. So you must quality control your outputs, and you need to read through them. You cannot just go into an AI tool, hit generate, and publish that information on the internet. Everything needs to be read and checked. And anyway, you're going to want to do some editing, especially with blog posts and articles, because you want them to rank in Google. Now, we use a method known as Rocket, and Rocket is a process that we work through. It's a series of stages. We use them especially for articles and blog writing. And what we're doing is we're incorporating the idea of quality control, making sure that we're using AI and we're using the right AI tools, making sure we've got those keywords in there if we're ranking, make sure we ticked all the boxes with SEO. And that gives our articles the best chance of ranking on page 1 for Google, whether it's local traffic or not. If you're interested in finding more about Rocket, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be doing more detailed videos about our process. But for now, you can scroll down to the description where you can register for our newsletter, where you will get updates about the information we're putting out about this process, and also you will get information on our courses. So if you're interested in that, just head down to the description. You'll see a link there, and you can just put your email in, and when we publish more information about Rocket, you will get an email there. What you should be able to see now is the coupon code that I told you about. Use that one for WriteSonic if you like what you've seen, or if you want to try any of the other tools out. You can see down here, we've got some of the other tools. Just put that into the website. So scroll down to the description, click the link. That will take you straight over to this website for WriteSonic. You can put the code in there. And I did mention we have a full playlist of videos all about real estate and using AI technology. That playlist is on the screen now. All you've got to do is click onto that playlist, and you'll be able to watch the rest of the videos we have on our channel and learn more about using AI marketing tools in real estate. But for now, I'll just say, see you in the next one.